Good morning, team. Justin here. Hope you're doing really good today. This video is going to be about all the different Hilton credit cards. Which one's right for you? Because there's 4 of them. There's a no annual fee card. There's an annual fee card of $95. And then there's a really expensive card with an annual fee of $450. And then there's the business card. So in this video, we're going to talk about those cards, compare them, and should go over all the different benefits of each card and what they have to offer. I think that Hilton is the second best hotel loyalty program behind Hyatt. And anytime that I've stayed at Hilton's, I've really enjoyed it. And even though I have gold status, I've got executive lounge access at multiple different locations, even when that's supposed to be reserved for the diamond status. So I think a Hilton card may deserve a spot in your wallet if you plan on traveling the world and doing a bunch of cool stuff with credit card reward points. Okay, let's go ahead and start talking about these credit cards, all right? All these cards are by American Express, and we're going to start off with the Hilton Honors card. That's all. That's the simple name of it, is Hilton Honors, and has no annual fee. It comes with a sign-up bonus of 100,000 Hilton points after spending $1,000 in the first 3 months, and it has a limited time bonus of $100 Hilton statement credit. You can use that statement credit within the first 12 months of having the card, and it's limited because it's part of the sign-up bonus, but it's also part of a limited time bonus, and it expires on July 6th of 2022. So you have, according to this video, recording this video, you have about 2 weeks to sign up for the card and get that sign-up bonus and that hotel credit. You have some multipliers. You're going to earn 7 points at Hilton hotels and resorts. You're going to earn 5 points on dining, and that's U.S. restaurants. And you get 5x on U.S. supermarkets, 5x at U.S. gas stations, and then 3 points on everything else. You're going to receive automatic silver status, and that usually requires 7 nights or 3 stays or earning 17,500 base points with Hilton. Silver status is going to give you a 20% bonus on your base points. You're going to get some free bottled water, and you're going to get 5th night free. Now, the 5th night free is when you book a stay at a Hilton property with points, and it has to be all points. You book the full stay, 5 nights, and then at the end, it's going to give you a 20% discount, essentially giving you a 5th night free on your stay. Then you're going to get elite rollover nights, which means some of your stays are going to roll over to the next year towards your next status. Pretty basic card, and it's an option if you want to downgrade from one of the annual fee cards like the Surpass or the Aspire. Moving on to the American Express Surpass card, this is the $95 annual fee. Comes with a welcome offer of 130,000 Hilton points after spending $2,000 in the first 3 months. And this also has a limited time Hilton credit, $130 Hilton statement credit after that you need to spend within the first year. And this is like the statement credit on the no annual fee card. You have to use it in the first year, but it does. The offer does end in July, on July 6th. So hurry up and sign up for the card. Link down below. Has a few better spending categories. You're going to get 12x at Hilton properties, 6x at U.S. restaurants, 6x at U.S. supermarkets, 6x at gas stations, 3x on everything else. You're going to get a free weekend night reward, which is a free night to stay at Hilton properties after spending $15,000 on the card. Good thing about these free weekend night rewards is they can be redeemed at like almost any property, even the high-end Maldives properties that cost like $1,000 a night. One thing that sets this card from a lot of other $95 annual fee cards is Priority Pass access. You get 10 complimentary visits to Priority Pass lounges. And a Priority Pass visit can cost $30 or $40, maybe $50 or more. So you can really get your value out of this card just by these Priority Pass lounge passes. Card gives you automatic gold status, and that's where things start getting really good for the Hilton loyalty program, and it gives you the benefit or the possibility of earning diamond status after spending $40,000 on this card in a calendar year. Gold status usually requires 14 stays or 28 nights, or earning 52,500 base points in a year. But with gold status, you're going to get an 80% bonus on your base points. You're going to get a food credit in the United States, or if you're outside the United States, you're going to get breakfast. You can get some room upgrades and then milestone bonuses. So you're going to earn 10,000 bonus points for every 10 nights you stay at a property after 30 nights in a calendar year. I think the Surpass card punches way above its weight for a $95 annual fee card, mostly because it has those 10 passes to Priority Pass. Now we'll move on to the big boy of them all, the Hilton Aspire card. This is a favorite of a lot of people. This is a great card. A lot of people love this card. Has an annual fee of $450, but has enough credits and benefits to it that easily outweigh the $450 annual fee. Sign-up bonus for this card is 150,000 Hilton points after spending $4,000 in the first 3 months. You're going to receive 14 points back when spending at Hilton properties. You're going to get 7x back on some travel categories like flights booked through the airlines or with American Express Travel, and some car rentals booked directly with select car rental companies, 7x at US restaurants, and then 3x on everything else. This card's going to give you a free weekend night reward for your anniversary gift. This is one of those good free night certificates that you can redeem at practically any Hilton property. And then if you want to spend $60,000 on the card, you can earn a second free night reward. It's going to give you a $250 Hilton Resort statement credit, but you got to be careful with this because it specifically has to be a resort. Can't be a standalone hotel in the middle of the city. But there is a list on Hilton.com that you can find a list of all the eligible resorts. Also comes with a $250 airline incidental credit, where this will cover costs like checked baggage and little snacks on the plane and things like that. There's another credit that's a $100 property credit for when you book 2 nights or more at a Hilton Waldorf Astoria or a Conrad, but you do have to go to a special link that I'll post. You have to click on that link for this credit to be applied to your account. Then you get full Priority Pass access. Full Priority Pass lounge access with this card. Then you're going to get complimentary Diamond status, and Diamond status is the highest status of the Hilton Honors program. It requires 42 nights, 21 stays, or 84,000 base points in a calendar year. You're going to get a bunch of cool stuff like 100% bonus on your stays. And with that kind of bonus, you start racking up the points pretty fast. You get some executive lounge access. You get some better Wi-Fi. You're able to gift status to other people, gold status, and then if you hit 70 nights in a year, you can gift diamond status, space available room upgrades, and a 48-hour guarantee, and then you can extend your diamond status. But as long as you got the diamond status from the card, you kind of just have diamond status. Those are all the personal cards. Next, we have the business card, and this is a bit similar to the Hilton Surpass card. Has a $95 annual fee, sign-up bonus of 130,000 Hilton points after spending $3,000 in the first 3 months, and a statement credit of $130 that you can use, and this will expire in July too. The bonus points are a little different. You'll get the normal 12 points for purchases at Hilton properties. You're going to get 6x on a whole bunch of different things like U.S. gas stations, wireless services, and shipping. And then 6x on U.S. restaurants, flights booked with the airline or through Amex Travel, and car rentals. And then 3x on everything else. You're eligible for that free weekend night reward after spending $15,000 on the card, and then a second night after spending $60,000 on the card. You get 10 complimentary visits to Priority Pass, like the Surpass card, and then you get the option of getting promoted to Diamond status after spending $40,000 on this card. All these cards have no foreign transaction fees, and then they also have car rental insurance coverage. Both the Surpass card and the Aspire card offer more value and outweigh the annual fee. The Surpass card has $95 annual fee, but the lounge access, that easily outweighs that. The Aspire card has $500 or $600 in statement credits. You have the $250 in airline incidentals, $250 the resort credits, and then $100 at Waldorf Astoria's and Conrad's. So you can easily get that. Then there's a other value that's a little hard to calculate, which is the benefits of status. Like, I've been to multiple hotels in Asia when I was only gold status, and they gave me lounge access, and so you can't really calculate that, but it's something there, and it's worth something. I'm sure there's some blogs on the internet that, do up a little report and calculate what they think that's worth. I personally don't know what it is, but it's worth something. If you're still watching, really appreciate a thumbs up, and then you can leave a comment down below. I'd really like that, about hearing about what your favorite Hilton property is, or what kind of cool experience these cards have given you at a Hilton property. Then you can also subscribe to the channel if you haven't. I'd appreciate that a lot too. Then I want you to go have a good day, alright? Justin out.